Hello, my name's Faye Howells and I'm the Community Grow Gardener here at RHS Bridgewater, and today I'm going to be showing you how to plant a sunflower seed. So first of all, we're going to get our pot. This is a biodegradable pot, so once we've planted the sunflower, once it's germinated and grown, then it can go straight into the ground. So overfill your pot with compost, just like I've done. Then the next thing we're going to do is water the compost. So with your rows pointing upwards, get a flow going and just take it over the pot until it's fully soaked through. Once your pot has been watered and it's fully soaked, we're going to get our sunflower seed. We'll be planting it on its side so that it doesn't rot off in the pot and any water will just run down the sides. With a dabber or a pencil, or you can just use your finger, make a little hole in the centre of the pot, placing your seed in on its side and then just covering the seed up again. Place that on a nice sunny windowsill and hopefully you'll have a beautiful sunflower to plant out in the garden for the summer.